Hey everyone, and welcome back to Curious Creatures, the podcast where we dive into the wildest wonders of the animal world. Today, I want to talk about an animal with, in my opinion, the absolute coolest eyesight in the animal kingdom. Picture this: eyes that can rotate independently in 3 dimensions, perceive distance with just one eye, and see way more of the electromagnetic spectrum than we humans ever could. Got a guess? It's the mantis shrimp. Take a look at their giant eyes. Seriously, if you haven't seen a mantis shrimp, look them up. Their eyes are perched on stalks, and each one can swivel on its own, giving them a panoramic view of the world. But what's really wild is what's going on inside those eyes. If you zoom in, you'll see they're made up of thousands of tiny visual units called Ommatidia. Each ommatidium is like a mini eye with its own lens and light-sensitive cells. Together, these ommatidia form a compound eye, which is fundamentally different from our own. Now here's where it gets even cooler. Because several of these ommatidia can focus on the same point, mantis shrimp can judge how far away something is with just one eye, a trick called monocular depth perception. For comparison, we humans need both eyes working together to do that. And when it comes to color vision, we're totally outclassed. Humans have 3 types of color-sensitive cells in our eyes, which let us see red, green, and blue wavelengths. Mantis shrimp? They have up to 16 different types of color receptors. That means they can see colors and patterns in the world that are completely invisible to us, including ultraviolet and polarized light. What do they do with all that visual information? Honestly, scientists aren't totally sure. One leading theory is that mantis shrimp use their supervision to communicate with each other in ways that predators can't detect, like sending secret messages in colors or polarized light. Let's clear up a common point of confusion here. Sometimes people say mantis shrimp have thousands of retinas. That's not quite right. Each compound eye is made up of thousands of ommatidia, those mini eyes I mentioned earlier. The retina, in this context, is the layer of light-sensitive cells inside each ommatidium. So instead of a big retina like we have, mantis shrimp have a patchwork of thousands of tiny retinas, each in an ommatidium. Pretty wild, right? Thanks for listening to Curious Creatures. Stay curious.